The first of all, I would like to high respect to the Venerable Professor, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Today I'm very happy to be here for presentation to talk about Google Classroom. Yeah, Google Classroom. What is the Google Classroom, everyone? Have you created the Google Classroom already? For me, I have owned the Google Classroom already because my professor Sumara, yeah, he gave me to do a research how to create create account Google Classroom. So this is my assignment. This is my topic that my professor gave me to create how to create Google Classroom and what is the Google Classroom. So I made the slide for presentation to share this knowledge, to send the knowledge to all of you to know about the Google Classroom. What is the Google Classroom? How it works, pro and con. So in this presentation, you will learn about the following aspects of Google Classroom. So I have three main points to raise for presentation. Yeah, I have three main points. The first is what it is. Yeah, what it is mean. What is the Google Classroom? And second, how it work? Okay, how it work? And third, pro, how to use. What is pro and con? Okay, if anytime you have the question, please feel free to stop me or you can ask me the later. Okay, don't we waste our time. I will presentation to talk about the what is Google Classroom. The first point is what is Google Classroom. So Google Classroom through the Google Apps in education is an online learning platform that can serve many functions such as provide online learning. Okay, provide online learning opportunity for students through a variety of means. Okay, you can post student assignment and other resources, or you have the new document, or you have the news knowledge. You can share. You can send it into the Google Classroom to share our the knowledge. Okay. Allow the student to complete assignment online as well as grade and return assignment to student digitally. Or you can send email access to student enroll in your classroom. Okay, great. More. Create this discussion board question for students to respond and other item. So this is the main point, or the function of the Google Classroom. So all of you, please, if you can, okay, if you can, you should create account the Google Classroom to share the document, to share your knowledge to other students. Okay, to other students, especially the Google Classroom in your class, because it is very important to all of you, because you and me, we are students, so we need to do a research, we need to share the knowledge, to share the document to each other, to share knowledge, to get more knowledge, or get the new, okay, the good news, you learn from. So study, we can learn from your friend, with your family, with your professor. So if we are student, we should create your own account Google Classroom, because it is very important, to all of you. So this is what is the Google Classroom. And the next point, how does Google Classroom work? Okay, how does Google Classroom work? One you has created a class, you can add student assignment. So Google Classroom, you can add student assignment, lecturer outline, video, web link, okay, etc. Anything you add will be placed in a classroom only file in your Google Drive, create automatically for you. Okay, student will be able to submit work to the classroom, and you will learn and you will be able to grade and provide the feedback to that work. You can evaluate and provide the feedback. Okay, provide the feedback on the go. You do not have a wait for student to submit work. More, student project can be created with ease, and Google Drive allow for you to view the progress on assignment, and view the revision editing history. So it is the Google Classroom work. So okay, when you have your own Google Classroom, you can add with your friend, or with the lecturer. You can share the assignment, you can share the video, web link, okay, etc. It is the second point that I presentation, the how does Google Classroom work. Okay, and the third point, what are the pros of Google Classroom? What are the pros of Google Classroom? Okay, Google Classroom has numerous advantages that will make your life easier, including: let to know the paper clutter when collecting and grading assignment. Okay, ease of communication, as a student should never need to ask you when something is due. Ability to use on any device that has access to the internet, including Android and iOS application. Ability to share almost any resource with your student and anytime. Okay. So the third point we talk about the advantage or advantage of the Google Classroom make your life easier. Okay, easier to create account classroom and okay to create a account classroom or to when you have the your own the Google Classroom you can share knowledge as well that I told you before. And the next point, what are the cons of the Google Classroom? Okay, all good things have some flaw, including Google Classroom, such as the need to the manually transfer grade from Google Classroom to infinite the campus or other the online grade book platform. Okay, inability to use the email function of the Google Classroom on a district the campus as Gmail is blocked. If your district is unfair the game on. Inability to give the brace to give the parent guardian access to the classroom is and the gaps email address is required to access the Google Classroom. This can be temperamental at time that following you to review the submitted work, post assignment, etc. However, this is rare. Okay, this is rare. The last point about the in conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, Google Classroom is great tool for everyone that is looking to incorporate cooperate technology in their curriculum and flip the classroom. Okay, reduce, eliminates paper grading and clutter and provide a better and more prevent feedback. Provide more resources to their students in and easier the fashion such as YouTube video also. Okay, so in conclusion, I want to tell you more about the Google Classroom. Yeah, everyone, if you are student, you should have the Google Classroom. It is easy to all of you to get easier to share your knowledge and to get the new document from your friend, from your our professor. Yeah, to improve our knowledge or to get high knowledge. Okay, so for me, I have owned the Google Classroom already. I made last week. Our professor, he gave us the assignment and to make a slide to do a presentation. So you can add me, join with me if you have the Google Classroom. You can send the document or the whatever the resources if you have, you can send to each other to improve your knowledge, to share your knowledge. And okay, that's all for my point that I have to do a presentation today. Okay, finally, I wish all of you have good luck, good health, and happiness in your family. Thank you. Thank you.